Listen up, you donkey. The kitchen is your battlefield, and it's time to take charge. Weekends aren't just for takeaways and binge-watching telly. Sure, it's tempting to order in and lounge around, but there's a better way to spend your time. It's time to take control of your kitchen and, by extension, your bloody health. Cooking at home doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a rewarding experience that brings joy and satisfaction. Ditch the takeout menus and embrace healthier home-cooked meals. Start by exploring new recipes and experimenting with fresh ingredients. You'll be surprised at how fun and fulfilling it can be. Weekend mornings are perfect for prepping ingredients for healthy snacks and lunches. Set aside some time to chop vegetables, marinate proteins, and organize your pantry. This small effort can make a huge difference in your weekly routine. Think of it as an investment. You put in the work now, and you'll be thanking yourself during the week when you've got a fridge full of delicious, nutritious options. Not only will you save money, but you'll also feel more energized and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. So, roll up your sleeves, get cooking, and make your kitchen the heart of your weekend wellness journey. Right, you lot, listen up. Today we're diving into a game changer for your kitchen routine. This isn't some fancy cooking show trick. It's a practical, no-nonsense approach to feeding yourself and your family. We're talking batch cooking. Imagine spending less time in the kitchen while still enjoying delicious home-cooked meals every day. See that amazing recipe you're whipping up? Double it. That's right, make twice as much in one go. Twice the yield, half the bloody effort. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Got leftovers? Don't you dare throw them out. Those leftovers are gold. Portion them into containers and freeze them. You'll thank yourself later. Now, when you're short on time and the takeaway menu starts calling your name, resist the urge. You've got a home-cooked meal ready to go. Just heat it up and enjoy. Stop making excuses and start taking control of your diet. With batch cooking, you're not just saving time, you're also making healthier choices. Plan your meals for the week, make a grocery list, and shop smart. It's all about being prepared. Involve your family in the process. Cooking together can be fun and rewarding. Plus, everyone gets to enjoy the fruits of your labor. So what are you waiting for? Double your grub, half the hassle, and take control of your kitchen today. Salads, they don't have to be boring rabbit food. We're adding some excitement to these leafy greens. Weekends are your prep time. Chop those veggies like a pro. Onions, peppers, cucumbers, whatever you fancy. Hard boil some eggs for extra protein. And for God's sake, make your own dressing. None of that bottled rubbish. Store everything separately and assemble your salad masterpiece just before eating. No more soggy lettuce, no more sad desk lunches. Listen, we all get those snack cravings, it's normal. But instead of reaching for the crisps and chocolate, be prepared. Weekends are your secret weapon. Portion out healthy snacks like nuts, seeds, fruit, or yogurt into containers. Now, when that craving hits, you've got a healthy option ready to go. Remember, failing to prepare is preparing to fail. Chapter 4. Overnight Oats. The breakfast of champions. Don't tell me you're still skipping breakfast. It's the most important meal of the bloody day. Overnight oats are your new best friend. They're quick, easy, and packed with nutrition. Combine oats, milk, yogurt, chia seeds, whatever you fancy, in a jar. Leave it in the fridge overnight, and boom, breakfast is served. You can even get creative with toppings. Fruit, nuts, honey, the possibilities are endless. Chapter 5, Smoothie Bowls, a vibrant start to your day. Start your day with a flavor explosion. Smoothie bowls are a fantastic way to pack in your fruits and veggies. Blitz your favorites together. Berries, spinach, banana, avocado, the possibilities are endless. Pour that vibrant concoction into a bowl and get creative with your toppings. Granola, seeds, nuts, coconut flakes, add texture and flavor. It's like a party in your mouth and everyone's invited. Chapter 6, Avocado Toast. From basic to bloody brilliant, avocado toast. It's everywhere these days, isn't it? But let's elevate this millennial staple from basic to bloody brilliant. We're talking sourdough bread, perfectly ripe avocado, and a sprinkle of sea salt and chili flakes. Want to take it up a notch? Add a poached egg, some smoked salmon, or a drizzle of sriracha. It's simple, satisfying, and utterly delicious. Chapter 7, Sheet Pan Meals, One Pan, Endless Possibilities. For those nights when you can barely be bothered, sheet pan meals are a lifesaver. Chop your veggies, toss them on a baking tray with some protein, chicken, fish, tofu, whatever you fancy. Drizzle with olive oil, season generously, and let the oven do the work. Minimal effort, maximum flavor, and only one pan to wash. Even you lot can't mess this up. Chapter 8. Quick stir fries, fast food done right. Stir fries are the ultimate fast food. They are quick, versatile, and packed with nutrients. Whether you're a busy professional or a student, stir fries can be your go-to meal. Heat your wok until it's smoking hot, add your pre-chopped veggies and watch the magic happen. The high heat ensures that the vegetables retain their crunch and vibrant colors. Stir fry like your life depends on it. The key is to keep everything moving in the wok. This method locks in the flavors and gives you that authentic stir-fry taste. Add your protein of choice, be it chicken, beef, shrimp, or tofu. Each option brings its own unique texture and flavor to the dish. A splash of soy sauce adds that umami depth, enhancing the overall taste. You can also experiment with other sauces like oyster sauce or hoisin for a different twist. And don't forget the aromatics. Some garlic and ginger for an explosion of flavor. These ingredients are essential for that classic stir-fry aroma. Serve over rice or noodles for a complete meal that's ready in minutes. It's fast, it's fresh, and it's incredibly satisfying. You can even use quinoa or cauliflower rice for a healthier alternative. And it beats the hell out of greasy takeaway. Not only is it healthier, but it's also more economical and customizable to your taste. So next time you're in a rush, remember a quick stir-fry is your best friend in the kitchen. Right, you lot. We've covered a mountain of meal prep from batch cooking to stir-fries. There's no excuse for reaching for the takeaway menu now. You've got the knowledge, you've got the skills, now get in that kitchen and bloody well use them. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. Now stop watching this video and get cooking.